Hey, it's Patrick, and let's talk about this Acerbis bike stand. Now, if you have a dirt bike, you probably have a little box stand like this. If you don't, it's a very handy thing to have. You can put the bike up on it, you can do maintenance things, allows you to spin the wheels, and you don't have to lean it up against something when you park your dirt bike. But storing these when you're not using it, it kind of gets in the way in the garage, especially if you have a small garage or storage area. This really takes up a lot of space. Or you're transporting your bike somewhere to a race or to the woods or something like that, these just kind of take up a lot of room in your truck or your trailer. That's why the folding one, it was actually a pretty unique idea to me. It actually folds up really, really easy. For 80 bucks, this is pretty trick. It holds up to 552 pounds, they claim, and bam, just like this, it's folded away. You can slide it underneath something, lean it up against the wall. It doesn't take up nearly as much space. I did kind of wonder about the 552 pound rating. And while I don't weigh 552 pounds, I'm a pretty hefty dude. I jumped up and down on this thing. It's actually very, very stable. Also comes in 5 different colors. So if you're into matching your gear to your bike or that sort of thing, you have orange, red, blue, green, a gray, and a black to choose from. Like I said, for 80 bucks, it's worth having in the garage, especially if you're gonna run your bike around somewhere to a race or something like that. You can slam this thing into a trailer or a truck or on the floor of your truck really, really easily and get down the road. Have a nice stand when you get where you're going. If you're looking for more information on this, go ahead and click that info tab on your desktop mobile device. That'll take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and more specs about this stand. If you're still looking for more information, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle, and your budget. I am Patrick. Thank you for watching, and go work on those motorcycles.